Howdy, fret riders and plank spankers. Hi, I'm Wayne Sorbelli. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. For this C minor blues, the shapes I'm using mostly for this are going to be the C minor here, okay, the F minor, C minor, 5th fret, right? Basically A minor, A sharp minor, B minor, C minor, right? So now I also use this chord form, but for the F minor sometimes. C minor, watch, up to the 8th fret. F minor, because look, you got A minor, right? A minor, and you could just finger that a different way, and then it makes it a movable chord form. A minor, A sharp minor, B, C, and then C, D, E, F. So there's my F minor there, right? Now, the cool thing is you can interchange the shapes between the song. I can be using the F minor here for a couple bars, and then maybe I want to use the C minor right here, because the C minor is right above the F minor. Very conveniently tuned, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can use the same shape for the C and the F. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. Six, 1, 3, all over. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all over again. Alright, I hope that helps you. If you find the content interesting or useful or just entertaining, then please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. I can't do it. I just keep laughing. I can't hold a straight face. Okay. Howdy, fret riders and plank spankers.